Hi everyone, welcome to Life Made Simple. Today we are replacing the outer tie rod end on a 2007 Honda Pilot. So if you get in closer, got my hands at 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock. They're just clicking in there. And after further inspection, it turns out the tie rod end on the outer needs to be replaced. So that's what we'll be doing today. So here I've safely lifted the vehicle and placed it on jack stands. And I'm removing that front passenger wheel, which are 19mm lug nuts. Up here in Canada, using penetrant spray is pretty much a must. We're exposed to hot summers, cold winters, snow, dirt, mud, rain. Try to count how many threads we see here. I think it's probably 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We see 8 threads. A few threads. I want to make sure we can take it off completely. Sometimes it loosens, but then it doesn't come off completely. So it's good practice to take it off completely. Put it on a few more threads. And then we're going to try to hammer that and see if it pops out. Hit her. Hey, while you're watching me let out my frustrations on the steering knuckle, I'd really appreciate it if you took a moment to subscribe to our channel using the green check mark at the bottom right hand corner of your screen, and turn on your notification bells to be notified of our latest DIY and tool review videos. Here for a second. So now we're going to count how many turns we take this off. 15, 16. Yeah, it's basically the same part. Looks to be the same size. I mean, again, if it's off by a millimeter, you're not going to be able to tell with your eyes, but see, so this is the old worn one. You can see it's, it's new one is much stiffer. It doesn't flex like that. Okay, so that's the old one. This is the new one. Oh man. Good. So now we turn this back on 16 rotations and then we'll tighten it up. 15 and then 16. Quite as easily as the other was. Let's just move this. There we go. Okay. Get my 19. My 13. Now I want to tighten this back up against that outer tie rod. Just gonna go in and count the threads because I know there's 8 showing before, so let's just see if we've got 8 again. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Not to come loose. Alright, now I get the castle nut on underneath. We're going to have to tighten it to 40 foot-pounds. And then when I get there, I need to align those cotter pin holes. So that's it. Basically, outer tie rod end is in place. It should be reasonably in the correct position, and then from this point, it's time to go take it for a wheel alignment. While I tidy things up here, I'd really appreciate it if you took a moment to subscribe to be notified of our latest DIY and tool review videos. And if you found this video helpful, let me know by hitting that like button. Thanks for watching, everyone.